Hello students, welcome to Siddhapur Mathematics Academy. So in the last class we started with the exercise trigonometric functions 3.3 and in that I gave some questions as a homework. First I will solve that questions. See the questions one by one. The first one is cos 15 degree. Cos 15 degree. You know how to split cos 15? Cos 45 minus 30 degree. And here we are applying a formula cos of x minus y, that is cos x into cos y plus sin x into sin y. See here x is 45 degree and y is 30 degree. Apply that formula cos x into cos y, cos 45 degree into cos 30 degree plus sin 45 degree into sin 30 degree. Have you remembered the standard values? So anyhow I am writing once again 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. So here is sin 0 is 0. This is 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. For cos just write this in reverse order 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. And for tan, 0 upon 1 is 0, 1 by root 3, 1 root 3 and this is infinity. Refer that table, write down sin 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 30 is 1 by 2. Multiply these two. Root 3 upon 2 root 2 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. Add these two. Cos 15 degree is equal to root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. See, is it very simple or what? Yes. Moving to the next one, that is cos 75 degree. So 75 is very simple, 45 plus 30. Here which formula? Cos x plus y, that is cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. This changes to minus. The remaining all the steps will be same. Don't do the changes in your book like this. Write it once again. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2. This is minus. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 30 is 1 by 2. And this is 75 minus. See, is it simple or what? Moving to the third one, that is tan 75 degree. Tan 75 degree. This is splitting as 45 plus 30. And the formula is tan x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x into tan y. So in place of x we have 45 degree. Write down that tan 45 degree plus tan 30 degree divided by 1 minus tan 45 degree into tan 30 degree. Tan 45 is 1, tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by root 3. Take root 3 as a LCM. This is root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 1. Yes. What is remaining? Root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 1 is remaining. And everywhere we are not using this value. Sometimes we have to rationalize and take that as a standard value. Rationalizing factor is root 3 plus 1. Next, it is a plus b. Root 3 plus 1 whole square. It is a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square Apply the formula. Root 3 square plus 1 square plus 2 root 3 divided by 3 minus 1. That is 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3 divided by 2. 4 plus 2 root 3 divided by 2. 2 common. 2 plus root 3 upon 2. They get cancels. 2 plus root 3. So with the help of this, now I will give you one table for your competitive exams. Please note down. And you are observing one interesting thing there. It is 15 degree, 75 degree. Sin 15 degree is root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2. Sin 75 is root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. And for cos, just interchange these values. Cos 15 is root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. Cos 75 is root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2. And write down that tan value. Tan 15 sin upon cos. So it is root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. But you know that everywhere we are not using this, we are rationalizing and writing. It is 2 minus root 3. 75 is root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 1, or it is 2 plus root 3. Is it interesting or what? Yes. Please remember and note down this. This is very important for your CET. Moving to the next question. In the last class I completed it till 9th one. Now I am moving to the next question, that is the 10th question. See, moving to the next question, 10th one. Prove that sin of n plus 1 into x into sin of n plus 2 into x plus cos of n plus 1 into x into cos of n plus 2 into x. Write down the LHS. Sin of n plus 1 into x into sin of n plus 2 into x plus cos of n plus 1 into x cos of n plus 2 into x. See what you are observing. We are observing the same brackets. Here n plus 1 into x, here also n plus 1 into x, n plus 2 into x, n plus 2 into x. For our convenient, put n plus 1 into x as a and n plus 2 into x as a b for our convenient. So this will be written as sin a into sin b plus cos a into cos b. We can write it as cos a into cos b plus sin a into sin b. Yes, have you remembered any formula? Yes, it is in the standard example. Cos x into cos y plus sin x into sin y is cos of x minus y, that is a minus b. That is nothing but cos. Write down that a value, n plus 1 into x minus n plus 2 into x. Now remove the bracket, take minus inside and x also inside the bracket. Cos of nx plus x minus nx minus 2x. Minus nx plus nx get cancels. Cos of x minus 2x is minus x, and have you remembered allied angle? Cos of minus theta is cos theta, cos x. That is nothing but RHS. Moving to the next question, that is question number 10. So this is also same. Prove that cos 3 pi by 4, sorry 11th one, cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x is equal to minus root 2 sin x. I already explained the similar example and I explained in two methods when we solve the worked example. Write down the LHS. cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x. Have you remembered cos x plus y minus cos of x minus y formula, transformation formula? Yes, it is minus 2 sin x into sin y. The brackets are same but they are differ by sign. One is with plus and one is with minus. See that LHS, it is exactly similar to cos of x plus y minus cos of x minus y, that is minus 2 sin 3 pi by 4 into sin x. Now 3 pi by 4. Sin 3 pi by 4 is sin 135 degree. That is sin 1 into 90 plus 45. 1 is odd, sign changes to cos. Cos 45 and it comes in second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sign is positive. So this answer is 1 by root 2. So it is minus 2 into 1 by root 2 into sin x, and we are familiar, 2 will be written as root 2 into root 2 1 by root 2 sin x. Root 2 and root 2 get cancels, minus root 2 into sin x. This is RHS. This is one method. Have you remembered the another method? What is that another method? Write on the LHS. See the left side, the first term is in the form of cos x plus y. Next one is cos x minus y. See students, already I explained one method for this example. Now I am explaining one more method for this example. So here, write on the left side, cos 3 pi by 4 plus x. Write on the LHS. Minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x. It is in the form of cos x plus y. This is cos x minus y. Apply that formula. See, if you are not remembered, see that formula. Cos x plus y is cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y, and cos of x minus y is cos x into cos y plus sin x into sin y. Apply these formulas here. First one, cos 3 pi by 4 into cos x minus 3 pi by 4 into sin x minus, in the bracket, write it in the bracket because we have minus outside the bracket. Now apply that formula. Cos 3 pi by 4 into cos x plus sin 3 pi by 4 into sin x. Take minus inside the bracket. Cos 3 pi by 4 into cos x minus sin 3 pi by 4 into sin x. Take minus inside. Minus cos 3 pi by 4 into x into cos x. Minus into plus is minus sin 3 pi by 4 into sin x. See, cos 3 pi by 4 into cos x, this is plus and this is minus. These terms get cancelled. Here minus 2 sin 3 pi by 4 into sin x minus sin 3 pi by 4 into sin x. Two terms are there. It is minus 2 sin 3 pi by 4 into sin x. And sin 3 pi by 4 is sin 135. Already in the previous method already I explained. This is root 2, 1 by root 2 into sin x. And now this 2 will be written as root 2 into root 2. This is 1 by root 2 into sin x. This root 2 and root 2 get cancelled. Minus root 2 into sin x. This is RHS. So that means we have a two methods for the same problem. Moving to the next example. Before moving to the next example, I will give you one formula, important formula. Write on that note. Sin square A minus sin square B is equal to sin A minus B into sin A plus B. So depending on this we have the example. Write on the next 12th example. Same, prove that. Sin square 6x minus sin square 4x is equal to sin 2x into sin 10x. So write on the LHS left side. Sin square 6x minus sin square 4x. It is in the form of sin square A minus sin square B. That is sin A minus B into sin A plus B. So that is sin 2x into sin 10x. That is RHS. Is it very simple or what? Yes. Moving to the next one, question number 13. Same. Prove that cos square. The problem is in the form of cos. Cos square 2x minus cos square 6x is equal to sin 4x into sin 8x. Here also we can apply the same formula. See, I am writing the LHS left side. Cos square 2x minus cos square 6x. I am converting that cos in terms of sin. 1 minus sin square 2x minus 1 minus sin square 6x. Now I am removing a bracket, taking minus inside the bracket. I kept that the first one as it is, 1 minus sin square 2x, and for your reference I kept the formula as it is. This is minus 1 plus sin square 6x. Minus 1 plus 1 get cancels. Sin square 6x minus sin square 2x. Again sin square A minus sin square B. Sin A minus B into sin A plus B. So this is sin 4x into sin 8x. That is nothing but RHS. So only thing is you have to remember this formula. Moving to the next example. That is question number 14. Same. On the top it is prove that only. 14. Sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x is equal to 4 cos square x into sin 4x. So write on the LHS. See, directly we cannot apply the formula for the first and the second. Why? Because its coefficient is here 2. First write on the LHS. Sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x. Rearrange this. This is sin 6x plus sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x. I cannot apply the formula for here because coefficient of sin 4x is 2. If it is other than 1, we cannot apply. They are in the form of sin C plus sin D. Sin C plus sin D is 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. So here it is 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 plus 2 sin 4x. 2 sin 6 plus 8 is 4. 4 divided by 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4x into cos 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2 plus 2 sin 4x. 2 sin 4x common in the bracket cos 2x plus 1. And when I am explaining a multiples and submultiple, I told you one important formula. 1 plus cos 2x or 2 cos 2x plus 1 is 2 cos square x. This is 2 sin 4x into cos square x. Finally, we got 4 cos square x into sin 4x. That is RHS. Moving to the next example, 15th one. Prove that cot 4x in the bracket sin 5x plus sin 3x is equal to cot x in the bracket sin 5x minus sin 3x. So first we have to solve left side and right side separately. First write down the LHS. Cot 4x into sin 5x plus sin 3x. For the bracket term we are applying sin c plus sin d, that is 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Cot I am writing as cos 4x upon sin 4x, and for the bracket term 2 into sin 5x plus 3x divided by 2 into cos 5x minus 3x divided by 2. Cos 4x upon sin 4x as it is in the bracket 2 into sin 4x into cos x. Sin 4x get cancels. It is 2 cos 4x into cos x. Let us call this as equation 1. Remember this, in equation 1 we got 2 cos 4x into cos x. Now I am writing the RHS. Write down the RHS. Cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x. So cot x will be written as cos x upon sin x. And have you remembered cos c minus cos d, sorry, sin c minus sin d? Sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. In the bracket 2 cos c plus d 5x plus 3x divided by 2 into sin 5x minus 3x divided by 2. So here cos x upon sin x as it is in the bracket 2 cos 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 divided by 2 is 4, and 5 minus 3 is 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1, that is sin x. This sin x and sin x get cancels. It is 2 cos 4x into cos x. Equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. So is it simple or what? Yes. Moving to the next question, question number 16. Prove that cos 9x minus cos 5x divided by sin 17x minus sin 3x is equal to minus sin 2x divided by cos 10x. So again write on the left side and apply cos c minus cos d and sin c minus sin d. Write on the LHS cos 9x minus cos 5x divided by sin 17x minus sin 3x. See, cos c minus cos d is equal to minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. This is the first one. Next we are applying sin c minus sin d. Sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. So for numerator minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Denominator is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. These two get cancels. 9x plus 5x is 14x. 14 divided by 2 is 7. Minus sin 7x into sin. 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Sin 2x divided by 17 plus 3 is 20. 20 divided by 2 is 10. Cos 10x. 17 minus 3 is 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7. Sin 7x. This sin 7x, this sin 7x get cancels. Minus sin 2x divided by cos 10x. That is RHS. Yes. Moving to the next question, that is question number 17. Prove that sin 5x plus sin 3x divided by cos 5x plus cos 3x is equal to tan 4x. So first write on the left side. Again we are applying sin c plus sin d and cos c plus cos d. Sin c plus sin d is 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Cos c plus cos d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Write down the LHS. Sin 5x plus sin 3x divided by cos 5x plus cos 3x. It is 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Denominator is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. 2 get cancels. 5x plus 3x is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Sin 4x. 5x minus 3 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Cos x. Divided by 5x plus 3x is 8. It is cos 4x and this is cos x. cos x get cancelled. Sin 4x upon cos 4x is tan 4x. This is nothing but RHS. So in the next class I will continue the some more example from the same exercise.